Hi everyone, this is Neelakantam, drawing master. Welcome to drawing class. Today, let us learn a beautiful drawing, a beautiful and colorful drawing. Okay, boat, colorful boat in easy way. In easy way. Okay, children, see, look at the board. How I am teaching. Okay, now I am going to take two horizontal lines. One is left horizontal line, another one is right horizontal line. Two horizontal, sorry, slant lines. Okay, now these two are the horizontal lines. See, horizontal means sleeping lines. These two are slant lines. These two are horizontal lines. Okay, I covered with two horizontal lines, and down you can see this is the water. See, one, two, three here. So it's like waves, water, waves. We can enjoy this class. See, these are the lines, like curve lines. First, what I did here, I have taken two slant lines. Once again, look at the board, two slant lines. Slant line 1, slant line 2. Later, I joined these two slant lines with the horizontal. Horizontal means sleeping lines. Okay. Now, next, these two are the vertical lines. These two are the vertical lines I have taken, and here now I am going to take one curtain easily with curved lines, two horizontal lines I have taken to color the picture. And see, this is the one small flag. Okay, next, left side one small rope, and here one bird, flying birds. If you want, you can draw some birds also. And even this right side I am going to take one small circle here. Okay, now this is the sun, rising sun. These are the rays. In easy way we can draw. Okay, now if you want, you can add some here. This is one small cloud. If you want, we can draw one cloud also. Okay. First, with the help of slant lines and two horizontal lines and two vertical lines and some curved lines, we have taken help of these lines, and we have drew this peak. Okay. Yeah, children, look at the board. I have taken one black marker and I have given picture outline. This is called picture outline. I have given picture outline. I took black lines along with pencil line. First we have done with pencil. Now we did drawing. On that drawing we have to give picture outline. This is called picture outline with black marker. You take one black marker or sketch pen, you can, and give neatly outline. Okay, after taking outline, now let us color the peak. See, here I have taken violet color. I fill violet color in this curtain. Next, I have taken green color. In this place, I applied green. Okay, now here I have taken orange. Okay, next, here this part with red color. I have taken red and I am filling neatly. See how I am filling, how I am moving my crayon ones. Look at this. This is very easy to learn. See, very easy. We can color without any white patches or without any dark patches. I filled. Okay, now I filled this. Now next, I am going to take here yellow color between these two horizontal lines, between these two horizontal lines. Okay, now next, I am going to take here brown color to this hole. Look at this brown color I filled in this hole, and here you can see red color for this flag. Okay, sun with orange, sun with orange. Okay, now let us color this cloud. This is the cloud with light blue color I am using here for this cloud. You can color neatly. See how I am moving my hand towards left and right. Okay, now should not exceed the picture outline. This is picture outline or black outline. We should not exceed. We should not cross the lines. Within the lines we have to color, and even down. See here water also I am filling with light blue. Okay children, see, without any white patches. I am moving my fingers, my hand towards right. See, like this. Slowly you can color without any white patches. Slowly you can color. Okay, na? Should not exceed the picture outline. Should not exceed the picture outline, and within the lines we have to color. This is the way color, choosing different colors you can use. If you want, you can change the color combination also. Okay children, thank you.